Welcome to video R85, Foreign Language Ratios. I'll work out this problem and change some values so you could work out one on your own. All right, 85A. A school offers 3 foreign languages, French, Spanish, and Latin. The ratio of students taking these languages is 3 to 5 to 1 respectively. 60% of students take a foreign language. Note that nobody takes more than one language. If 132 students take no language, how many students take French? Okay, so whenever they say 60% of students take a foreign language, then that means 40% take no language. And I'm going to get to the no language because I talk about a no language over here, and I'll be able to get a ratio. So let's just make a note. 40% no language. So I've got 40% no language and 60% have a language. And I've got 132 no language. I'll be able to set up a ratio and find out how many do take a language. And then once I find how many do take a language, I'll be able to use this ratio and sort it out to see how many take French. So that's where I'm going with the problem. Okay, so let's make a ratio. We'll go language over no language. 60% over 40%. 132 no language. I'll call this L for how many do take a language. I'll cross multiply, and the number of students that take a language will be 60 times 132 divided by 40, and I get 198. Okay, so now that I've got 198 students that take a language, what I could do is use this ratio here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say 3x plus 5x plus 1x equals 198. So again, whenever you see a ratio 3, 5, 1, it doesn't mean that there's 3 students that take that language, 5 and 1. It's 3x, 5x, and 1x. Okay, so let me try to solve that. 3, 5, 1, that's 9x equals 198. I could use my calculator again. Divide by 9, 198 divided by 9, and I get 22. So x is 22. They don't care about x. They want to know how many students are taking French. So it went French, Spanish, Latin. So this is the number taking French. So we'll put that 22 in there. So French equals 3 times 22. I don't need my calculator for that. Equals 66 students. So the answer to problem 85A, 66 students take the French foreign language. All right, I'll change the problem slightly. We'll call it part B. And you could work it out and see how you do. So I'll just change a few values. Let's change it to 80% take a foreign language. Let's say the ratio is 4 to 3 to 1. Let's say that we've got 92 students that do not take a language. And let's try to find out how many students take Spanish. Okay, so try to work out problem 85B, and I'll write down the answer momentarily. 138 students take Spanish, and that's the answer for problem 85B. So there you have it, how to solve problems involving foreign language and ratios.